I am another vlog. So this is me, Venice, and my friend Lance is here, but this is a secret, guys. We are gonna describe this room. Lance, can you describe yourself?
What?
Can you describe yourself?
Myself, but I'm a zombie.
What the Sigma? But her eyes is not red, you know. But he's not biting me. And you know,
Because you are my friend. That's why I'll kill you.
and guys, if you, what do you want to present in your mom?
A rabbit or a gift?
Wait, rabbit, ignore. House, subscribe. Mansion, like. Disgusting trash. Oh my god, share. Like, and
Wait.
can you describe this room?
Wait, guys, wait.
Okay.
Wait pa. Like and subscribe. All of them. But except the gift, the dirty gift. I don't like.
And if you like a disgusting room, please like and subscribe. Just kidding. If you want some mansion, just like and subscribe to our channel. And can you describe this room? Describe this room, guys. Can you describe this room? Describe this room in the comment section.
Yeah. I will say you the secret.